C. How y'all doing? If you are new here, welcome. I'm JD. I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I specialize in natural hair and protective styling, and I just do day in the life vlogs. As a salon owner, I do some tutorials. I do some tips to help you grow your business, grow your clientele, and everything in between. If you are returning, hey, great boo, I love to see you. So let's get into this transformation, y'all. She is completely natural, 100% natural. She'll do heat maybe once or twice a year. Very rarely does she do heat, but we going for a silk press and we going for this ginger color today. And when I tell you it came out beautiful, it came out beautiful. So the first thing I like to do, I always tell my clients to prep before their appointment. Don't wash it necessarily the day before, but maybe earlier in the week or on the weekend, depending on when the appointment falls. And that way it's just not as much dirt buildup on the hair. As y'all can see, it was a little foggy because as a natural, y'all know how oily our hair be, because you're going to make sure if anything your hair is moisturized. So this was just her hair after being worn for a few days. It wasn't necessarily dirty, but it did have a little bit of product on it, which is okay. You don't want it to be caked up. She just styled it the day before coming to get color though. So I go in, I detangle, I blow her out really, really good so I can make sure that the color is processing thoroughly and getting each strand. So this is the brand I use. This is what I love. This is only a permanent color. This is not lifting her hair at all. I'm not using any bleach to get the color. And you can find this actually at Sally's. I love this color. It's a demi-permanent, so it's meant to cover grays. So the coverage is just that much better, honestly. I always use this color. Never no complaints, especially if we're just going for one simple color. Like, we not going for no dimensional look or no highlights, or we just want this solid color, and then eventually as it grows out, we might retouch the roots. She might just let it grow out. But yeah, so basically you start off, you want to prep your hairline with some petroleum jelly, or maybe something like an antibiotic cream, something that just protects your skin barrier. Also, so it doesn't stain. This is like top two, not two, okay? And I lather it on there between the ears, on the ear, on the hairline, on the neck, everything. And then I just go in. I sectioned her in a total of 6 sections because that's just how thick and dense her hair was. I knew I didn't want to do anything bigger. So I just went in, and of course, like I say in all my color videos, start on the strands first, and once you process everything on her strands, go in on the roots and then process her roots. You never process your roots first because your roots process faster due to the heat that is coming off your scalp. After every color service, after you're done applying your color, put a cap on, because that heat is just going to allow that color to really lock in, set in. We left this on for a total about, I think for about 45 minutes to an hour, because I'll set the timer for 45 minutes. We'll look, and then depending on how I'm feeling, I might let it sit for another 15-20 minutes. But we are done. As y'all can see, super vibrant, so pretty. It's so subtle. When I tell you I love this color line, I love this color line, specifically for colors like brown, gingers, or black colors. Nothing lighter, brighter. I just love this color. We are at the shampoo bowl, and this is the best part. If y'all know, y'all know. This is my favorite part. It's my client's favorite part. Make sure you thoroughly wash the hair. You make sure you get everything on that hair, on them hair strands, and you do a deep condition, a good condition, because again, you did just do a chemical service involving color. So you want to make sure you just follow it up with some good products. I recommend Olaplex. I also have an Amazon store link where I list off products that you can get. You can purchase them straight from Amazon. Of course, I do make a little percentage, but also you can look in Sally's, Walmart's, some beauty supply stores, Target, to get these products that I would recommend for at-home care, that I use in the salon, that I use on myself, and that I know to work on my clients, because I do see an array of clients with different textures, different curl patterns. It works. It works. Okay? Take it up with somebody else, but not with me. But I am going to link that list below so y'all can check it out if y'all ever wondering what products I like, or what products that I would like, that I would recommend anybody to use at home. So after we've washed, after we've done our do, I didn't show y'all, but I did prep her hair with my Mazzani line products, which is like a leave-in, I also use a heat protectant, and then I also use a I forget what it's called, but I'm gonna try to find a picture so I can place it here on the screen for y'all. So after we've prepped it, it's feeling healthy, it's looking healthy, it feel good, it look good. We ready to go in. Did go in about 6 sections to actually give her a silk press. And as y'all can see, I'm pressing her roots first. I'm only doing one pass only for her first initial press. I'm doing, like I said, hitting them roots with that pressing comb. Got to. It's Bible. You gotta hit the roots with the pressing comb. And then I go in, make sure everything is straight, make sure everything is looking good so I can give her the interim of her life. As y'all can see, for her to be natural, she has split ends, but I've seen worse. To me, this is not bad at all. I'm gonna just go in, I do a blunt cut all around first to get off any dead ends, make sure everything is even, because she don't want layers necessarily or anything. She just want a good cut interim. So I like to do it in sections. I do everything in sections. That is the only way that you'll be able to really see what you're doing. Get every piece of hair that's on that client head. Do it in sections. And I start from the back, proceed to her front, and then I have them sit down, and then I do I dust it just a little bit more, make sure everything is looking good. And then last step, I go in and bump them ends a little bit. Not like we used to get a bump, but like just a little bump so it's not completely straight and so that it doesn't frizz up. I've noticed if I don't bump the ends, it frizzes up even quicker. And while she was in here, I try to keep the air on. I try to keep the fan on to keep they body temperature cool so they don't sweat from the scalp. But being natural, y'all, that's just the tea. They might be swelling up a little bit before they leave. I'm not gonna hold you because her hair is not used to the heat. Her body is not used to maintaining her hair with no, a silk press. So naturally it's gonna want to be in its fuller state. But as y'all can see, it was beautiful. It lasted so good. She is so in love with it. I'm in love with it. And there's nothing like doing a color service or just doing any service and your client is so happy. So as y'all can see, this is her finished results. We love it. Let me know what y'all think. Leave me a comment if y'all like it. If y'all tried this method, if y'all tried this product, let me know how you like it. Like I said, as you can see, the color, like, no complaints, y'all. No complaints at all. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thumbs up for more, of course, because there will be more. I like doing these. And if y'all want to see any particular service, recorded, filmed, and just to see how I do it, let me know and I'll do that for y'all. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be.